What? After all? Right now.
You're on a roll. Keep going.
All right. Very good. All right. But right now, as I was gonna say before I was interrupted, it's that we're having flying fish. Welcome, flying fish.
Sorry, Kathleen. Reverend. Okay, so we are the flying goldfish. I'll save this for later. Several years ago, stop saying my name. All right. Several years ago, we had a couple of counselors from Wesley who formed the flying goldfish. So the flying goldfish is roughly, you take a goldfish, get a partner, put the goldfish in your mouth.
Be kind to the fish.
Yes, we're gonna get and hopefully when you want, spit it out. And the goal is to get as many consecutive catches as possible. So, for your own pleasure, the flying goldfish return. Please do not make our farmers laugh. It's a lot harder. Throws and it'll be out of your guys' hair.